Hello there, this is Sal from Minimateapps. In this video, I want to show how you can use the image and file upload app. Let's start with the activating app. When you install the app and come to our app, you will see this page. Since we didn't create any field, it will be looks like this. If you need any help, you can check our tutorials here. It will direct you to our Git book and you can get information from there. Let's start with the activation. So when we click on this, it will direct us to our theme editor, Shopify theme editor. When we enabled it, it will become enabled. When we click save, it will be saved, and when we create our fields, it will be published in our store. When we refresh this page, we will see that we already passed this step. App is activated. We can also say I have done it. So let's create our first field. To create a field, we can click in here or we can just click in here. Or even though we click in this one, we can say create. So first step is setup. And before we are starting the setup, we can also change the internal name. This is only visible to us as a merchant. A customer will not see in storefront. Let's say image upload for this one. So let's continue with the setup. First, we need to set the visibility. We can display the widget for all products, specific variants, and product in a specific collection. Since this store has a free version, I cannot apply it to all product. Let's continue with the specific product. Let's click gift card to display on. So cart label, we can leave it as an upload or you can change, write whatever you want, right? Then continue. Here is second step, appearances. So we can give a title, image upload. I will create image upload, so you can change the color of the title. You can change the subtitle here by texting anything. Uh, you can add your image, let's say, because we will allow only image for this one. You can change the description here according to your preferences. You can again change the subtitle color, description color, everything, and you can see all the changes in preview here. So container, you can change the background of the field. Let's make it a little darker like this. We can change the border color. Let's make it a little red. Okay, so we can change the radius and the spacing like this. We can also add the uploading status label. This is really useful if your website is not English, for example. This is the example how it will look. For while image is uploading, you can say uploading like this, or you can change it to or your own language. You can delete this dot, and when it's complete, you can change the complete text. And this is the option: tap to cancel text and tap to undo text. When you change this, it will change, and customer will see whatever you write while uploading the images. Now say continue. The third step, upload rules. So we have many different rules. When you click add rules, you can change the files size limit. For example, if you need only one or three images, you can put file size. Sorry, so you can put the maximum file size here. You can customize the error message if it's too large, something like this. Let's add another rule: allow file types. So if you don't want to accept other files rather than a JPEG, this kind of image files, you can only click this. Or if you only accept audio, you can click this. If the file type is not here or combined, or you only want to select one of these, you can click other and type your file type in here and select it. So this is the rules for allowed file type. You can delete it if you don't want to put it, or you can keep continue editing. File count limit. This is what I wanted to say. So if you want to allow on minimum one and maximum 5 files, you can type it here and you can write the message here. One important thing in here, if you put minimum files one, it makes this field automatically required. So please pay attention to that, which means if you write it one here, customer has to upload at least one image before adding to cart to the product. So if you don't want to do that, or if it's okay for you to not add any files and maximum 5, you can type like 5 and 0 and 5. You can customize the message. So let's go and see the other rules. Image dimension, you can put a different specific dimension if you are asking for. Again, you can change the messages in here. Keep editing. Under customer experience, we have image editor, which like allow you to allow customer to crop before adding the card. You can allow the free form. Customer can crop how they want to crop it. Square, this is allows only square and only circle, and this is the aspect ratio cropping. So you can choose as your preferences, as your needs. So um, image preview, you can allow the image preview. This image preview not on the product yet. It only shows when uploaded here. We will also working on the other option, but for now you can use this. Required upload, if it's required, if you want to mandatory, you need to click the required option. If it's optional, you can choose optional, or you don't need to add this rule at all. So let's delete those. We can add all these rules to the one field, but I'm just showing you one by one. Okay, pricing. For pricing, we have customization fee. This is basically add-on charge. So for add-on, we have two options. One is regular add-on, the other one is bundling function. So what is a regular add-on? It adds product as a separate item. Then customer can delete the disadvantage for this one. Customer can delete this additional product cost on add to cart. We have detailed description explanation for this one in our git book. You can check it out in our guide. And for the bundling option, the additional price add as a bundle, so it cannot be deleted at the cart. But if you are using another bundle app, this might be a little tricky for that. I highly recommend to check add-on options to get more information about it. And you can click in this and learn more. You can always ask us if you have any question while using this live chat tool. So when we are done with all the rules, we can continue for additional fields. So this additional field, you want to ask like name, or you want to give option together with the image upload. If you want to collect you can click text box and give it a name. You can change this. If it's required, you can just click and write your custom message for the requirement. And if you need more than, you can see the changes in here too. If you need more than one additional field, you can just click add and change the type. You can see it in here for Dropbox. One add option to something like this, and it will be visible in here in preview and in your store also. So for additional field, we have text box, Dropbox, checkbox, and radio button. That's it. When you're done with all the setups, you can save all the changes Of course, you don't need to, you have to fill these things. Let's delete it for now to be quick. So let's save, and it's done. Filed, uploaded successfully. You can just click here and see the, you see the product you applied. Yeah, see, like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, we are looking forward to reply them.